Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that could revolutionize your income strategy: Airbnb arbitrage. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and some tips to get started. So let's jump right in. What is Airbnb arbitrage? Airbnb arbitrage is a real estate investment strategy where you rent a property, typically a long-term rental, and then sublet it on Airbnb or other short-term rental platforms. The goal is to profit from the difference between the long-term rental cost and the short-term rental income. How does Airbnb arbitrage work? Let's break it down into simple steps. Find a rental property. Look for a property in a location with high demand for short-term rentals. This could be near tourist attractions, business districts, or event venues. Negotiate a lease. Approach the property owner and negotiate a lease. It's crucial to get permission for subletting the property on Airbnb. Some landlords may require a percentage of the profits or a higher rent. Furnish and set up the property. Invest in furniture and decor to make the property appealing to potential guests. Good photos and an attractive listing are key to attracting bookings. List on Airbnb. Create an Airbnb listing with great photos, a detailed description, and competitive pricing. Manage bookings, guest communications, and cleaning to maintain high ratings and repeat guests. Why choose Airbnb arbitrage? There are several benefits to Airbnb arbitrage. Lower entry costs. Unlike buying property, you don't need a large down payment or mortgage. Your main investment is the furniture and initial lease payments. Potential for high returns. In high-demand areas, the income from short-term rentals can significantly exceed the cost of the long-term lease, leading to substantial profits. Flexibility. You can start with one property and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. It's also easier to exit the market if it doesn't work out as planned. Challenges and risks. While Airbnb arbitrage can be lucrative, it's not without risks. Legal and regulatory issues. Ensure you comply with local laws and regulations regarding short-term rentals. Some cities have strict rules or ban short-term rentals altogether. Market saturation. High competition in some areas can make it difficult to maintain high occupancy rates and profitable pricing. Operational challenges. Managing multiple properties, guest communications, and cleaning schedules can be time-consuming and require good organizational skills. Tips for success. Research the market. Understand the demand and competition in your chosen area. Use tools like AirDNA to analyze rental data and trends. Build relationships. Develop good relationships with landlords and property managers. Transparent communication and fair agreements are key to long-term success. Focus on guest experience. Provide excellent customer service, respond promptly to inquiries, and ensure your property is clean and well-maintained. Positive reviews lead to more bookings. And that's a wrap on our guide to Airbnb arbitrage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.